Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. Guys, today we are looking at ontology, that is ONT USDT, and we will also see ONT BTC chart. The reason of sharing this chart with you is because ONT is retesting a price that it is not able to break since 2.5 years, almost 2.5 years. This is the zone we have on. This is on weekly, but let me go on to on daily. This is an on daily chart in front of you. As you can see that it's trying to break this. The last time this price resistance started from November 2018. If I zoom this, so from November 2018, ONT is trying to break this resistance, and it is consolidated under this price for almost 2.5 years. For almost 2.5 years, this is the price that ONT has tried to break. And it's such a big resistance, so it's not necessary that it might break in one go. See, it's trying to break this area. But once it breaks, then this can create a massive move because it's a 2.5 year old consolidation that it will break. So it can break, retest, and that will give us the final confirmation that okay, now this is turned into support, and then this can happen. Or just because of such a huge consolidation that is for 2.5 years, it can be a massive breakout also. So both plays are there, though I think that retest is the ideal play, but because of the kind of bullish market that we are in, it's not necessary that at times we get to see the retest. But because this has been such a long resistance, it's not necessary that it will break on the first go. Just like BTC tried to break $20,000 and it took two or three attempts to break it. But once it broke $20,000, we all know what happened. It took, within no time, it took to reach 40,000. So this is the same 2.5 year consolidation that ONT is retesting. So I think you guys should look into this and see if it's for you. We'll also see ONT BTC chart, and this is I just drawn for my study. And if you see ONT BTC, let me erase this and show you. If you see the ONT BTC chart, then look at this. This is a daily chart that we are looking. It has bottomed. This has bottomed. ONT BTC has bottomed here, and then it is reversed, and now it's creating higher highs, higher lows. It's still consolidating, but it is now reversed. So according to me, this will now start uptrending. To see the potential of the play, this is an ONT BTC weekly chart. Just look at the upside. This is the first major resistance, and this is the second major resistance. So if we see the upside play from here, Look at this. It's almost 1500%, and this first resistance is almost 300%. So even if it is able to reach the first resistance on Bitcoin chart, it is 300% on Bitcoin chart. And if at all it can reach here, then it's a 1500% on Bitcoin chart. So this is an opportunity. To me, it's an opportunity because we are in such bullish market, and there are very less charts that are remaining which have not yet pumped, and as per me they are going to pump. So this is not an investment advice, guys. This is only for educational purpose. Since I was looking at different charts, I found this interesting and I thought of sharing it with you. To invest or not to invest is your decision. Please be sure that I am not responsible, and do your own research. This was just to share with you. So look it up on into ONT charts and see if it's for you. Thank you very much for listening to this, checking out this video, and I hope to see you in the next video. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.